check out this breathtaking view. Where are we? And how were we able to witness one of the most gorgeous sunsets on what feels like the top of the world? Continue watching this week's extra action-packed special edition episode as we boondock Santa Barbara in our truck camper to find out. Hello, I'm Jacqueline, and this is Nick. We invite you to join us and our dog Trixie on our unique journey as we pack everything up, move into our camper, travel to our favorite destinations, and begin living in the now.
Cause I've got no more expectations, gonna take my ass across the nation. Been doing this far too long. All the time I spend is now too far gone. Time to change the pace and lose the face that I put on for everyone else. Embrace the change and play the game and do everything for myself.
So one of the things you guys may be wondering is, when we're going to all these beach locations, where do we sleep? Where do we set up the camper? Well, it's different every time. We go on iOverlander and we look for spots that other people have recommended. This time we're in this park. Get up at 6:30 in the morning, drive down to the beach, get front row parking, enjoy your day. It's that simple. Alright, you ready? Go! Go on! So, if you've been following this channel up to this point, you may have become aware of the fact that we have no idea how to run a YouTube channel. I previously... Yeah, I know, it's so surprising. I previously was a truck driver, and Jacqueline was previously a laboratory scientist, research scientist. Am I saying that right? Research scientist.
Senior in vivo technologist.
Yeah. We didn't do anything in video, and we've never edited video before. We've never really taken video other than what we've done on our phones. So if our videos are anything short of amazing, we are doing our absolute best, and I promise you, every day we are getting better, and we will improve with time. We're going to keep doing this until we perfect it. So stick with us, please, and thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate it.
We're in Santa Barbara. Man, it's gorgeous here. This is probably my favorite so far of all the beaches. Friggin' palm trees everywhere. In the morning, we drove down here, paid $12 for parking, got front row, and it's pretty chill. It's not overcrowded. You know, it's just right. The weather's perfect. Everything's perfect. I'm happy.
Tell me about the California halibut.
The California halibut is born with eyes on both sides of its head, and as it grows up, one eye migrates to the other side of its head, and it becomes a bottom dweller. I was just thinking, what a weird thing to go through. I mean, think about, as teenagers, we go through all kinds of weird changes. Imagine if your eye just suddenly decided to migrate to the other side of your head.
You'd be a weird teen.
So Jacqueline, what do you think about Santa Barbara?
It's waveless.
Yeah, it is.
It's good for paddleboarding, fishing, and kayaking, and all those sports you want to be on the ocean for, but you don't want to capsize. Yeah. Lots of palm trees. It's not overly crowded right now, but I think that's just due to circumstance.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
As you may remember, in our last episode, we lost our beloved drone Steve to the depths of the Pacific Ocean. Today, we're getting to know our newest family member, Steve-O. and Trixie is not so sure about the imposter following her around. I'm sure they will become fast friends once they get to know each other. Steve-O's previous owners, Ryan and his girlfriend Tycho, have decided to come over to our home to interview us for the evening and say one last goodbye to Steve-O. As it turns out, they're circus performers, YouTubers, and always up for an entertaining challenge.
All right, challenge. Jacqueline said that she could get through there from the cab to the trailer, but it's a very tight fit. She's like, I don't think anybody else could do this, probably not even a circus person. But there was one rule that she said that she had to do. One
It makes it easier.
stipulation is she had to strip down to just her underwear.
So your clothes don't get caught.
You don't want to get your clothes caught. So you want to challenge?
Yeah, looks fine. Looks easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So do you start from the inside and come
You can go either direction. It's actually
wanna
easier to go
close-
this way that way.
Here we go, challenge! You failed the last challenge we did, Tycho.
Did we give her a time frame?
Yeah, you,
Yeah, before the timer runs out on our car, we have 2 hours.
okay. This challenge is to go in, grab a dog toy, and come back.
Trixie dog, come here. Come here. Come on, baby. Good girl.
Wait. I don't want to make that news. So quiet. Wow.
Gotta make sure my insurance is up to date.
No. Yeah, I made it.
Not all the way through, there's still 10% left. Not happening. Trixie's still the best time. Congratulations, Tycho.
Hey, Dad. We made it. Now we go to the box.
Oh, going backwards.
I can do that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. I don't think so. Oh, that's hard.
Turn around and go forward. Today on Uncle Nick's Words of Wisdom, I'm going to teach you my secret to trimming this glorious beard. So, the secret is you've got these guards. They're numbered 1 through 8. And I either choose even numbers or odd numbers. And I start shorter on the sideburns and then work my way to the middle. So, start with number 2. Then you move on to number 4 and you just overlap a little bit. Kind of like you're mowing the lawn. So we have the short side, we have the long side. And then what you do, you gotta freehand the rest. Okay, now we start on the other side. So I always finish out the mustache with scissors. You always finish off trimming those nose hairs up a bit. Never ever forget the nose hairs.
Don't blend them into your mustache.
No. Thank you for watching Uncle Nick's Words of Wisdom.
What are we doing here at America's Tire?
Oh, we got a screw in our tire, so they're gonna patch it for us.
With the camper on it?
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know how these skilled people repair a hole in your tire, I have no clue either, but let me walk you through the process. Once the tire's off, they roll it to the back and give it a little squirtsy squirts and some spray stuff. Comb it down a little before drilling a bigger hole in it. Don't forget the clear coat nail polish. Funnel a rubber pluggy thing through the hole you just made. Give it a real nice tug from behind. You're gonna have to pull harder than that, man. Whoop, there it goes. Next, take your mini pizza cutter, slice it all up real good before removing the foil packaging. One last coat of paint to cover up what you just did. Snip off that umbilical cord, and there you have it. A bouncing fresh tire on its way for some lube, rim insert, and a refill. Before you know it, you're on the road again. Thanks, tire guys. Welcome to the Botanical Gardens. The Santa Barbara Botanical Gardens was rather large. Today I'm just going to point out a few highlights for you. This is a giant sequoia. This particular tree grew up near a mountain home on a creek side in the Sierra Nevada. Firecracker snapdragon. Just sitting here in the shade of a California juniper. Look at that bark. Like shredded pork. A tree anemone.
What was that? Wait a minute.
Tree anemone. We're about to enter the treacherous land of the cacti. Right there. Careful bites. This one may look fuzzy. You may want to pet it. I don't recommend it. Shazagavi. Ancient hieroglyphs here. If I read it right, it says you can save 30% on your Geico insurance.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, it sure does. How about that?
Have you hugged your tree today? Thank you for my oxygen tree. It's like, where's that snack? Corn nuts? Like sticky corn nuts. And frozen. A brittle bush. A brittle bush. That's permanently frosty. Coastal redwood. Several of them grouped together in a mini forest. One of my favorite trees. I believe that's all, folks.
While getting my hair cut in Santa Barbara, my barber recommended that we take a little adventure into the mountains above us. He said that the views of the coastline and surrounding areas would be incredible, and we shouldn't leave without taking a gander. So up into the steep hills we drove in pursuit of what we discovered would be nothing short of amazing, jaw-dropping scenery.
I'm gonna show you guys one of the things that I really love about this camper. We are here in our bedroom and I am sitting on the bed, and right above me is our sunroof. Check this out. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. We're up on top of the world right now.
So I try, yes I tried, you can go run and hide, but the wall begins to cry.
Yeah. We have the Channel Islands, we have Santa Barbara. You can actually see the beach where we were just at. You can see the harbor and everything. Pan around the other direction. I believe these are called the San Padres Mountains. I might have to correct that. I'll put a caption right here if I was wrong. There's my correction. I don't always get stuff right. It's okay. And this is just an incredible view. We came up here
the mountains in Santa Barbara and parked camper on top of the world, it feels like.
So high, it's scary.
Jacqueline was freaking out
Terrified
on
of
the way up
heights.
here. And we have the sun setting right in front of us. And we've got our lawn chairs sitting on top of the camper. Made ourselves some drinks. We got Steve-O behind us recording the sunset.
Scale 1 to 10.
Like 35.
Ooh,
Off the charts, man. Off the charts.
way off the charts.
Best sunset I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a lot of really good
We
sunsets.
watch the sunset most nights, almost every single night when we can.
It's one of those that it's really tough to make this come out as good as it was tonight in a camera.
Yeah, you can't
It
capture
just doesn't do it justice. We did our best. I hope you guys enjoy it, but damn. Damn.
That was a good one.
Damn. Alright, so I have Nick and Matt here. They got these special skateboards and they've asked me to help them out tomorrow. Doing what exactly?
So we're going to be skating down a local road a little bit north from here.
Yeah?
It's a special jump we don't usually get to skate. We're going to fully close off the road so that no cars are coming up or down while we're skating it, except for the car that we've appointed to follow us down.
All right, we're here at our first stop with our new friends. They're gonna do a warm-up run down the mountain. Nick's getting the drone ready. Steve-O's gotta wake up.
Alright, Steve, I hope you had coffee. Go time, baby.
All right, so Nick's doing his practice run with the guys. He's chasing them with Steve-O. Hopefully keeping up around the corners. They're pretty quick.
So we are headed up to the next mountain road where we are gonna get some more drone shots of these guys skateboarding, going extremely fast down these hills. I think they're hitting speeds of 50 and 60 miles an hour, sliding sideways around corners on a skateboard. These guys are nuts.
Alright, here we are at the second mountain location where all the skateboarders are heading down the hill at full speed. They just left and Nick's down there chasing them with the drone. How does it feel to be part of a skater gang? Are we groupies? Or are we paparazzi?
Oh, I'm totally a groupie.
You're a groupie?
Yep, we're absolutely groupies. We're following these guys around, just filming them for no reason, other than it's fun.